In this video, you'll learn how to create your OKX referral code. By following these steps, you will be able to access and share your unique code with others, allowing you to benefit from referrals within the OKX platform. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate smooth navigation through the app. Once the app is open, look for the grid icon, which consists of 9 squares, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the 9 squares icon. This action will reveal a menu with various options related to your account and app features. Locate and select the option labeled Profile or Me, typically found in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal account settings. After entering your profile section, find and tap on the Refer option. This section is dedicated to managing your referral program and will display your referral code information. Once you access this area, you will notice that your referral code has been generated automatically by the system. To share your referral code, look for the options to copy or share. Tapping Copy will save your referral code to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you wish to share it. If you choose Share, you can select from various platforms to send your code directly to friends or potential referrals. That is your personal OKX referral code, and it is ready for you to use. Remember that sharing your referral code can help you earn rewards, so consider sharing it with your network. Ensure you understand any applicable terms or conditions related to the referral program for the best experience.